According to the most current long-haul gauge, the Dogecoin cost will reach 7 cents by the end of 2023 and then $0.1 by the end of 2028. Dogecoin value forecast 2023 to 2024. Dogecoin cost began in 2023 at 0.0698 today. Dogecoin exchanged at 0.0654, so the cost dropped by 6 from the start of the year. The determined Dogecoin cost toward the end of 2023 is 0.0858 and the year-to-year change, plus 23. The ascent from today to the hypothesis for after a few days or months. Saturday, July 29th, 0.0656 Friday, July 28th, 0.0655 Sunday, July 30th, 0.0658 Monday, July 31st, 0.0659 Tuesday, August 1st, 0.0660 Wednesday, July 26th, 190.0661 Thursday, July 27 ND, 0.0662 US dollars, Friday, July 28th, 00664, August 15th, 00693, September 15th, 00730, October 15th, 00766, and November 15th, 00803. December 15th 0.0839 Dogecoin expectation 2025 to 2029. This 5 years would bring a rise. Dogecoin cost would move from 0.0835.00 to 0.1083, which is up 30. Dogecoin will begin 2025 at 0.0835, then dip to 0.0748 within the first half of the year, and finish 2025 at 0.0883, which means plus 35 from today. Dogecoin forecast 2030 to 2034. During this time period, the Dogecoin price will rise from 0.1083 to $0.1575, a 45% gain. Dogecoin will begin 2030 at $0.1083, then rise to 0.1153 in the first half of the year, and finish 2030 at 0.1222, an 87% increase from today. Estimate for the value of a Dogecoin 2023 to 2024. Dogecoin cost began in 2023 at 0.0698 today. Dogecoin exchanged at 0.0601, so the cost dropped by 14 from the start of the year. The expected Dogecoin cost toward the end of 2023 is 0.0690 and the year-to-year change 1%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 15 in 2023, we hope to see 0.0699 per 1 Dogecoin in the primary portion of 2024. The cost will move to 0.0796 in the last part. Dogecoin forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring in increased. Dogecoin cost would move from 0.0886 to 0.1450, which is up 64. Dogecoin will begin 2025 at 0.0886, then take off to 0.1045 inside the first half year of the year and finish 2025 at 0.0966, which means plus 61 from today. Dogecoin forecast 2030 to 2034. In this time, the Dogecoin cost would rise from 0.1450 to 0.1921, which is a gain of 32. Dogecoin will begin 2030 at 0.1450, then rise to 0.1537 inside the first half of the year and finish 2030 at 0.1623, which is a gain of 170 from today. 6-1 2023. Dogecoin value expectation 2023 to 2024. Dogecoin cost began in 2023 at 0.0698 today. Dogecoin traded at $0.0714, so the cost expanded by Dogecoin projection 2025 to 2029. In these 5 years, there will be a rise. The price of a Dogecoin would rise from 0.0916 to 0.1501. 64 Dogecoin will begin 2025 at 0.0916, then rise to $0.1081 in the first half of the year, and finish 2025 at 0.1000, implying a 40% increase from now. Dogecoin forecast 2030 to 2034. During this time period, the cost of a Dogecoin would rise from 0.1501 to 0.1987, a 32% gain. Dogecoin will start 2030 at 0.1501, then rise to 0.1591 through the first half of the year, and finish 2030 at 0.1680, a gain of around 135 from now. 5/15/2023 to 2024 Dogecoin value forecast. Dogecoin cost started in 2023 at 0.0698. Today Dogecoin traded at 0.0728, so the cost increased by 4 from the beginning of the year. The estimated Dogecoin cost toward the end of 2023 is 0.0812, and the year-to-year change plus 16. The ascent from today to year-end plus 12 in 2023. We hope to see $0.0776 per one Dogecoin in the first half of 2024. The cost will drop to 0.0727 in the last part. The cost will add 0.0164 and Dogecoin forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increase. Dogecoin cost would move from 0.0891 to 0.1252, which is up 41. Dogecoin will begin 2025 at 0.0891, then drop to 0.0807 inside the first half year of the year and finish 2025 at 0.0849, which implies plus 17 from today. Dogecoin forecast 2030 to 2034. Bitcoin price predictions and Ethereum price predictions. BTC and ETH drop nearly 5%, weekend bounce. Bitcoin and Ethereum, two of the most well-known coins, have both lost a lot of value. BTC is now worth $29,780 and ETH is worth $1,889. As buyers keep a close eye on these events, they need to look into the technical outlook to figure out what the price might do in the next few days. The goal of this Bitcoin and Ethereum price forecast is to look at recent price changes and see if BTC and ETH might get a boost before the weekend. How much will Bitcoin cost? From an analytical point of view, Bitcoin is trading just above a key support level at $29,500. A triple bottom pattern in the 4-hour window is another sign that this support level is correct. Both the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, show a negative trend. The RSI is at 42, and the MACD is below zero. At $29,995, just below the psychological level of $30,000, the 50-day exponential moving average works as a resistance level. Taking these things into account, it is likely that Bitcoin will stay negative and stay below